San Roque, San Jose, San Antonio de Padua, San Joaquin, Saint Michael the Archangel, San Leo Apostol, Saint Francis of Assisi, San Lorenzo Ruiz, San Isidro Labrador, Santa Rosa, Señor Santiago Apostol, San Agustin, San Rafael, San Pedro, Saint Ezekiel Moreno, Saint Jude Taddeus, Saint John Hermene, Pope sa Salamat Miguel, Santo Salamat, Misa Salamat ng Señor sa Pope sa mga grasya ng Dawa, Ipanel, Farceli, Ana Maria Ilias, Mr. and Mrs. Delia Veros and Rami, Jose, Jubiner, Mata and family, Daisy Abla family, Rosanna family, Ezekiel Abla, Ari Manzano, Edna and Enriquez, Severina Pisa, Rachel Bukari, Terry Luis Hernandez, Edith Lacson, Maria Teresa Annan Ramos, Almira Juanes, Cipriana Lawas, Arias Nani, Edmond and good health, guide Alvin and Jonah Manuda and their family, Sanilin and Madong and family, Minlin Mendez, Elmer Enriquez, Genevieve Kapuyan, Mary Ann Gomez and Kiuri Ann, Ingrid Miley, Dominguez family, Lydia Ray Manili, Rondina family, Lucine and Maria Teresa Ramos, Monica Laurente, Maria Rose Sakulat and family, Maria Luisa Bucon family, for successful delivery. Thanksgiving.